this level, you'll learn to change between C and A minor. This video will give you some general hints for grabbing chords, as well as some hints specific when changing between C and A minor. When grabbing any chord, you should try to learn to grab them with all fingers in the same motion. So, rather than adding one finger at a time, you should grab the full chord at once. This will make your chord grabs faster. One way to practice the one-motion grab is to grab the chord, strum, and then remove your hand and grab it again, strum, remove, and so on. Practice on this as slowly as you need, and do make sure that you grab each chord correctly and that all strings ring out with a clear sound. In the beginning, it is hard to grab the full chord in one motion, so until you get there, it's totally okay to add one finger at a time. One hint, though, is to choose which finger to start with, and then always start with that same finger for that chord. Visualize the chord and which finger goes to which string and fret, then fret in the order you've chosen. So, grabbing the A minor, you choose one finger to always place first, and then let the others follow. Always do them in the same order to build your muscle memory. However, this is only until you learn to grab the full chord in one motion. Now, looking at the C and the A minor, you can see that both use the same frets and shape for the index finger and the middle finger. So one hint when changing from C to A minor and back from A minor to C is to keep the index and middle finger fretted. You only need to lift and move your ring finger when changing between these two chords.